Hello. Who wants to save $250 to $300 within 30 minutes? Sure, everybody wants to save that kind of money. Well, I have here is a shower drain. Shower drain is clogged. And what we're going to use to unclog this shower drain is a screwdriver and a drain ogler. You can get this drain ogler at Home Depot, or I believe at Lowe's. Roughly about $75. But you have to have the battery. So this is the drain ogler. Works really good. This is the shower drain that, as you can see, that is holding water. First thing you're going to do is you can either need a fill-up screwdriver or regular screwdriver. You want to remove this screen. We're going to pull the screen off so we can get to the drain here. And this ogler can work anywhere, like underneath your sink. You can use it for there. You can also use it in your tub or your shower. So we're going to move these screws. We're going to move the screen here. See, it's got water in here. It's like it's got a hair buildup or something. Probably a lot. And what we're going to do is take our ogler, pull it out a couple times. I usually feed it in first. So then I start it in it's got an automatic button on it. You can use auto feed or you can manual feed. And always you want to go to the right. That'll automatic feed it in. Just working back and forth. Let the ogler go down in there. You'll start seeing the water go down pretty soon. And this ogler is about like 12 foot long, the cable is. And then just work it back and forth. going down slowly. Keep feeding it. Broke it loose. There we go. Broke it loose. Probably with just hair stuff that at least like once a year you probably need to ogle it out whenever you see. A lot of times it's hair on your screen or whatnot. Sometimes it's a lot further down, so I usually just run the ogler until I get it to free up. And that's all you do is run it a little bit more. Then I'm going to kick it in reverse to pull it out. Now this ogler is good for just like sink drains, tub drains. It's not good for like toilets. It's a little bit too small for your toilet drain or your outside clean out. So you can just mainly use this for under your sinks or showers or tubs. Works out perfect. I usually take it in reverse and pull it in same time. And sometimes you'll pull it out, you'll pull out hair and see at the end of it. And sometimes it just pushes it may just push whatever stuck in there on down the drain. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out a little bit. Probably just push it on down, probably your hair. And then you go ahead and run your water, your shower to verify. Let it run for a little bit. Make sure that it pushed it on through. Looks like it's got it. Just let it run. I just let it run for at least 2 or 3 minutes. Looks like it got it. It took me about 30 minutes top. You just saved yourself about $300. If a plumber would have came out, he would have charged you probably about $350. The tool, other than once you buy this tool, you have it. So you can save yourself some money if you like to do it yourself. There we go. There we go. Not holding any more water. Let's chop this. We got everything pretty good. As you can see, the drain is clear now. And there we go. We just put our screen back on. And we're done with this job. We saved ourselves about $350. While you got this off, your screen off would be a perfect time to go ahead and clean your screen, because a lot of times the stuff built up on the back side of your screen, hairs and stuff, as you can see, and then it clogs. So while you have it off, it'll be the perfect time to go ahead and clean your screen and kind of clean around your drain here. Or you can just take any type of cleaner, spray it around a little bit. I'm using this like foam scrubbers. It works pretty good. You spray the back side of your screen as well. Let it sit for a couple of seconds. You can just take a rag or scrub brush and just you kind of want to clean it up, because what happens a lot of times, that dirt will get in there and build up in hair. And as soon as the hair goes through, it'll catch on that dirty spot as well. So while you have it off and you just clean your drain, just go ahead and clean it up before we put everything back together. And you may have to spray it more than 1 or 2 times. It's starting to come off here. I may have to get a brush or something. Spray it down a couple of times. You should clean up pretty good. This brush works perfect. Just kind of get in there. There we go. I'm going to just kind of clean up that surface. There you go. Cleans up pretty good. Go ahead and put it back in. And always make sure when you're dealing with a drain cover screen, make sure there's no high spots or anything when you reinstall it. Because a lot of times if you're in there taking a shower, you can cut your foot. So make sure all the spots are low and it's fit everything, nothing sticking up that can actually stick on you or anything. That's basically it on that. Clean it up good. Thank you guys for watching. For those who hadn't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. You can hit me up at Helping Hand OKC. That's Helping Hand OKC. Thank you, and bye-bye.